If you're trying to get clients right now, you're probably overlooking one of the most powerful marketing channels, and that is WhatsApp. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to use GoHighLevel in WhatsApp to create a client acquisition machine. So we're going to jump right in, not going to waste any of your time. We are going to be learning how to use WhatsApp to get clients. Now, I have some amazing freebies for you, okay? These are amazing. I'm going to give you my free AI WhatsApp chatbot, Linda. I'm also going to give you this free compliance form. So if you're doing bulk, you're actually compliant and not getting shut down. And I'm going to give you this automation that triggers the whole thing. I mean, this is incredibly powerful. It's going to make your life easier, and I'm going to give it to you for free in this video. I also want to let you know I'm expecting you to already have the WhatsApp high-level integration set up. If you don't have this set up and you do not know anything about this, I will be linking a video at the end of this video that's going to show you how to set up WhatsApp on GoHighLevel so you can have this whole thing running. So don't worry if you're a little bit confused at the beginning of this video and you don't have it set up. We'll show you how to do it at the end of this video. So we got you covered, but we're going to expect you do, and we're just going to run right through this. So the first thing to note is that WhatsApp is a huge marketing channel. As you see here, as of early 2026, WhatsApp has over 3.3 billion users active worldwide. That is huge. Now, again, this does not mean that they're all business owners, but what I'm trying to say is WhatsApp has a huge database of people, and a lot of people, especially on high level, don't use WhatsApp. They think it's just, oh, it's just for foreigners or whatever, blah, 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 blah. It's not. Tons of people use this all around the world, and it is incredibly powerful. So now that you understand just how big WhatsApp is and all the freebies I'm giving you, let's go into actually doing this, because there's actually two different ways we can do this. And I'm going to break those down right now so you can understand that prospecting with WhatsApp is not just one way. There are two ways to do it. And if you do these the wrong way, you may get banned. So depending on how you're going to be doing this, you're going to be doing this one of two ways. And this is the whole point of prospecting with WhatsApp on high level, that you can get a lot of people, but you have to do it the right way. So the first way is one-to-one. This is simply you going out and messaging people in WhatsApp groups, communities, etc., just from one to another. And then obviously the rest in high level, we can connect to automation, and I'll show you in a sec later. The other way, one-to-many. But with this one, because you can't just blast out marketing messages called marketing templates, you have to get compliant opt-in, and you have to basically have them coming to you in order to do this. Now, once you have a bunch of people in one-to-one, you can absolutely send the messages, but it's just a different vibe. Now, do your research on compliance. There's a lot of laws around this. They'll ban you very quickly, so just make sure you're following the compliance. This video is for educational purposes, so I'm just going to walk you through it, but make sure that when you're doing this, you figure out what you want to do. So do you have a WhatsApp group you're in? If you are, one-to-one. If you have basically a bunch of people already in your WhatsApp contacts that have opted in, you're going to want this second one. Now, if you're confused about this at all and you're like, where do I fit in? Drop your exact situation right down in the comments down below, what you have, how it works, and I'll answer personally. That way we can kind of get you moving in the right direction. But this is really important that you understand which one you're doing, because prospecting on high level using WhatsApp is amazing, but it's also like one of the fastest ways to get shut down. I'm serious. They're super strict about this. So make sure you pick which one we're doing. So the first one we're going to start with is just one-to-one. So if you're doing the one-to-one, go inside your WhatsApp group on your phone or wherever you have basically these group messages or with contacts, and you can just directly send them a message, or you can come right into, let's say, your GoHighLevel sub account, and anyone that has a WhatsApp number, say it's this example guy, we click this, we click more, and we can send a WhatsApp. Now again, for this, you're going to have this whole thing set up. If you don't have the whole WhatsApp high-level connection set up, don't worry. I have you covered at the end of this video. But once you have a bunch of contacts, you can also do it in bulk. So you could basically select all and do the same thing, send WhatsApp, and hit them all. Now, that's really how to do the one-on-one, which is very simple. You're just going out and you're messaging people within groups. If you don't know what the groups are, drop a comment down below and answer. But I'm expecting you do. So that's the first part, is going in and prospecting like that. And you can do that from the high-level dashboard or just straight from there. Now, this can also connect to all of these bad boys, especially the AI Chatbot, and have it start doing the work for you. But if you're doing it from one to many, you may want to have these set up first. Now, either way, these can work. But, and this is a really important part, you need to have that opt-in so that your contacts know what they're getting. So that's why I recommend you have like a lead magnet. That's why I have this exact compliant form, because if they put this in, you can get a bunch of them for free to opt into your stuff. So if you don't understand lead magnets, again, I'm expecting you to understand a lot of this. If you don't, let me know and I can help you out. But this is like super, super important. So now that you understand the gist of how all of this works and how to just send messages, I now need to go into a couple things like what to say, how to DM them inside this group so you know. Then I'm going to move on to setting up this incredible sequence I have between the automation and the form. That way you can start doing this in volume. But first, before we even do that, we have to master the one-to-one, which is really what you're doing now. And in order to do that, I have to go over what to say in these groups, how to get noticed lists and all that stuff. So let me show you that. All right, so how do you find these people in a one-to-one scenario? Well, very simply, you first need to get on WhatsApp. Second thing, you need to join groups where your clients hang out. So this can be two different things. Number one, this can be where service-based businesses are, which you can just look up service-based business WhatsApp groups, or you can just find one and get into it very simply. Or you can join marketing ones, okay, where you can make partnerships with people. That's the other way, which can be very powerful. Second thing, don't just start selling stuff. Don't just immediately say, hey, I have this, try to buy. It's just like prospecting in Facebook groups. Don't do that. Again, if you don't know what a WhatsApp group is and you're completely new to WhatsApp, I'm linking that video at the end to set all this up, so I got you covered. But do not sell anything at first. Third thing, watch and learn what people complain about. This is really, really important. People will say, hey, I need a setter. Hey, I need someone to set up GoHighLevel for me. Hey, how do I send inbound marketing messages on X, Y, and Z? Whatever. People will say stuff and complain. Your whole goal is to legitimately just help them, okay, solve their problem. You're not trying to sell them. Don't say DM me. You're just going to say, hey, man, this is how you do it, X, Y, Z, end of discussion, and leave it a comment or reply to their message in the group. Very powerful, because when you do this, you're helping people hands off, then they'll start reaching out to you. Super important and something you really got to do. So again, how do you get noticed? Answer questions nobody else is answering. So important. Go through, answer the questions people are answering, but when you see ones that they're not, that's gold. You can slide in, solve their problem, and then the admins or the people running the group are like, hey, this guy's really helpful. And then the people reading your comment are like, oh my gosh, they just helped me out. So you can also share quick wins like, oh my gosh, just set this up, super happy. Don't make it super salesy though. People will be like, I just set up this GoHighLevel WhatsApp chatbot. Is anyone interested? Or they'll say stuff that's like, you don't want to do that. The whole point is to basically just show that you're a real person and working. Again, this is inside WhatsApp group threads and messaging people. Third thing, be the person people tag when someone needs help. Very important. If you're in a WhatsApp group or community, you want to be the person where they're like, oh, tag Declan, he knows. I see this all the time. People just tag it and then just random people go in and help. And this makes you build that authority so people start to reach out to you. I'm telling you, you will start getting DMs from people. This is what I've seen, where they start asking you questions like, hey, how do you do this? How do you do that? And then from there, it's like leads. It's much easier to do this. And then never drop your link unless someone asks for it. Again, do not sell right away. Even if the opportunity looks great, you want to ease into this process. So these are kind of the 8 different things, how to find and how to get people to notice you. And I recommend you do that in WhatsApp groups, or if you're messaging people one-to-one on WhatsApp, you have that properly set up, because again, you can do that from a personal side and get that all moving. But that's essentially how to just do the one-to-one method, which is just you getting on your WhatsApp and finding people. End of story. But now, if you have a WhatsApp list or you have a WhatsApp lead magnet, I want to show you these other assets I'm going to give you for free, and really how to do this so we can go in and then start doing more volume. So the first thing you got to understand with the whole one-to-many is you have to have the right system set up. Again, these can work to one-to-one. You want the AI chatbot, but we're going to want to use this whole sequence to get this thing moving. Okay, so this is basically what we're going to do. First, we're going to set up this AI chatbot, then your compliant form, and then this automation to have the whole thing triggered. Because basically the way this works is this WhatsApp AI agent that I've created for you is going to answer all the WhatsApp and go forth and sell on whatever you want it to sell them on. But here's the cool part. Your lead magnet or whatever we're going forward with, whether you're doing it on YouTube or sending it to people, when they sign up with this form, not only do you get the perfect opt-in to start sending them messages, so you're in the clear, but as soon as this form, which is this right here, gets submitted on said automation, it starts reaching out, going through, and then pinging the AI chatbot so you can start the conversation. So it's like an entire system built in one so that it can be hands-off once you set it up, and AI and robots do the heavy lifting for you. And really all you have to do is just make sure you get people to sign up this form. That's what we want. We want that all-in-one system that just works much smoother. So this form is already really set up. You just got to come and make sure some of this stuff matches yours, but it does work. It's got the right opt-in language. Again, check it if you want. Put in your privacy policy and your terms of service. To do that, you would just come in here, find this link, and put in your exact link in there so you have your terms of service and privacy policy. Once you've done that for both of those, this WhatsApp consent form is good to go. From there, we now just need to set the AI chatbot. Now, all this stuff has been set up, like making it as easy as possible. Come in here, you can change the name if you want. I'd recommend you leave it the same. Have it on autopilot. WhatsApp channel is great. You're going to want to put in your business name right here. Everything else you can leave the same. Turn these on. You're going to want both of those on. But other than that, Just put in your business name. Then under bot training, this is where you can come train this thing. I would recommend you test it beforehand, but I wouldn't test until you've gone through bot goals and set up all right here. So a lot of this is already set up. You see it has the booking appointment, human handler, and auto follow-up. It's already all set up to do it for you. What you can do if you want to really dial this in is go through and change some of this. Now, as you see, we have custom values and custom fields all in here. So it's pretty much already set up. You would just have to go into custom values, put in your information, make sure your sub account's already matching it. And this entire thing's going to work already very simply. And you're going to want to connect your knowledge base in here. So it's trained on your exact offer. Now, really important, if you know what any of this means, drop a comment down below. I'll hook you up with a bunch of tutorials. I'm kind of expecting you know what this means because this is a more advanced video, but you would just plug in your knowledge base. Again, if you don't have any of that, let me know in the comments so I can send you the right tutorials on my channel. So you go, okay, this is how you do the knowledge base, how you do this, but like everything has been set up as you see. Like it's all dialed in to flow smoothly. From there, you just test and click save. Done. We don't want to go too far down the rabbit hole of changing stuff because I really got it. So if we say hello, okay, and you obviously don't want your knowledge base, but this whole thing is geared toward getting appointments via WhatsApp. See? Perfect. Okay. But again, it's not matching any business because, well, you need to make sure you reflect it by putting in the custom values and putting in your knowledge base. Then you're done. Like it's that simple. I'm being serious. Everything else has been set up so this will work smoothly. And again, I'm giving you this exact chatbot, this exact compliant form, and this exact automation all for free. All you have to do is sign up with that 30-day free trial link down below. And if you really don't like GoHighLevel after 30 days and you're like, this is terrible, you can cancel. But I really think this will help you if you're using WhatsApp on HighLevel. I'm also going to give you access for free, by the way. Again, not selling you anything, for free, my private community, all of my training snapshots, pre-built out systems, and up to 7 live coaching calls, even ones with me that you can attend for free. And they're all really awesome. And you get all of these for free and these amazing assets for WhatsApp when you sign up with that 30-day free trial link down below of HighLevel, or you upgrade, or if you already have upgraded fully in the highest plan, there's another link to get it. But I'm telling you, this stuff is amazing, and I'm not going to charge you for it. You just have to be in the community. But that's all you have to do to get it. So once you have your AI chatbot set up, because again, it's pre-set up, you have your form ready, all dialed in, the last thing we need to do is go to the WhatsApp AI bot automation. You'll see it. And all you have to do is make sure this exact form is selected, which is this right here, as you see. Save the trigger. If you've changed the name of the AI bot or done anything like that, make sure you select the exact bot. We're just going to pick Linda because that's what we have set up. Make sure it's active and click save. Other than that, this entire thing is set up. Now you have to have WhatsApp set up, but you're just going to click draft to publish, save, and then this entire automation is ready to go. Guys, it is so simple because I have set it up for you. That is my goal here. I don't want you recreating the entire thing. So again, quick walkthrough. You're going to want to make sure your form is properly set up with having the privacy policy, terms of service, and reflecting your business because this is how they get in. You're going to want to make sure your AI chatbot is set up, knowledge base, testing, and stuff like that. Once that's set up, we then make sure that the right form is selected, the right AI chatbot selected, and from there, this entire sequence will fire off. So again, just like before, you just need to get people to sign the compliance form, and then these two will kick off. Now, if you are just still doing this one-to-one, you can still connect that AI chatbot. Message people manually, so reach out manually because you don't want to be spamming people. Again, compliance laws. And from there, the AI chatbot will still go through and answer and go back and forth and sell. Like you can see under here, like it'll go through and it will book an appointment for you. It's very, very handy. And the thing, guys, that's really important is you can do stuff like database reactivation or WhatsApp database reactivation on HighLevel too. So I think a lot of people are sleeping on the WhatsApp integration. As I said before, over 3.3 billion, that's a B, billion people use this worldwide. It is a gold mine, like an absolute gold mine. I know so many people that absolutely crush with the GoHighLevel WhatsApp connection. I'm giving you all of these assets to speed you along this process because I really do think that a lot of you guys are missing out by not using this. Another thing too, I want to show you, if you want to just do some stuff manually and you have a bunch of opted in contacts right under contacts, you can click this, select all, click more, send WhatsApp, and just hit a bunch of them. So you have that option too. But this is like a really easy way to do it. And again, guys, you have all of the stuff you could possibly need in these 3 assets. And what I'm going to tell you too, if you are big on the whole WhatsApp HighLevel connection, you're like, this is awesome, and you use WhatsApp heavily, you're going to want these, or you're going to need to recreate them. Either way, regardless of if you grab these for free or you rebuild them, just use something. If you're not leveraging AI in your WhatsApp connection and ways to get like that leverage, I'm telling you right now, you're falling behind severely because WhatsApp has a lot of leads on it. So tap into it, guys. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I'll answer if you're interested getting all of these assets. Again, all you got to do is go right down below, sign up for that 30 free trial, get in, see what we got, and we'll get you hooked up. But now I want to link that video at the end of this one that's going to go over the entire WhatsApp setup in high level. It goes way more in depth. So I skimmed over stuff because I'm expecting you know, but if you don't, this video literally shows you how to set up WhatsApp inside of high level, every little connection, the whole 9 yards, so you have everything good to go. So make sure if you haven't had that set up or you need to brush up, watch the video that pops up at the end of this one because it will make all of this make sense. So thanks again for watching. Drop a comment if you have any questions and watch the video that pops up in 2 seconds.